I already have my foundation on because today I'm trying out the Joah Truly Yours Natural Finish Foundation Drops. I'm pretty impressed with the coverage for something that's supposed to be a natural finish and is very liquidy. So you'll see all that in a different video. So I'm going to continue and work on my red and black look for today. So I'm actually also trying another Joah product. It is the Auto Eyebrow Pencil. So that is Brows with the Joah Eyebrow Pencil, and it is in the shade Dark Brown, which is a little chocolatey for me, so I probably should have gone with Black Brown or Black, which would have maybe been too dark, I'm not sure. But very pigmented, goes on rather nicely. It's not as waxy as some other pencils, so so far I'm liking this one. Good pencil. Today I am actually doing an Instagram collab with my friend, well, my new internet friend, which sounds really creepy. Her name is Allie, and you can find her on Instagram at Allie's Face. Of course, we'll link her down below. But she watched the video that I posted the other day, my true crime video, and she is also a true crime fanatic. We're both murderinos. Shout out to my favorite murder. And she wanted to do a collab together because she has a makeup Instagram as well. So we decided, because Valentine's Day is coming up and we found each other over true crime, we're going to do a look that is red and black. And I love it because there's so much that we can do. But to me, when I think of red and black, I think of like really bright, bold red lips and a really dramatic black wing liner. So that's what I'm going to do today. All right, now that I've got my concealer on, I am going to do a pretty simple eyeshadow look, and I'm going to go in with the Suva Beauty Protege palette, and I'm going to use this shade here and this shade here, and it's going to be a really simple look, and then I'll highlight a little bit with this gold highlighter here. Because when I do a black wing, I say wing. I'm from the Midwest, so I say things kind of weird every once in a while, and wing is typically one of them. But when I do a black wing or a pretty dramatic black liner look, I like to do a really basic eyeshadow. So I'm starting with the shade Tact here, and I'm going to just pretty much go all over my lid. You guys, I'm so blown away by how much everybody really liked my True Crime Tuesday or Murder and Makeup or Get Ready with Murder. I don't know what it's going to be called yet. Post or video from the other day. Like, I knew that I was interested in, you know, true crime and makeup, but I didn't realize how many other people. I just did the same mic 2 times. I guess I didn't really realize how many other people were into the same thing. So I was super excited to meet a whole bunch of new people online. Hi, new viewers. And I'm just going to use the same brush because I like the shape of it, and go into with the shade Conscious right here, which is kind of a chocolatey brown, which is appropriate for the really warm brows that I have going on. Okay, I'm gonna just grab this little funny, it's like an angled brush, but it's also like perfectly round. This, I don't know if it even has a name. Oh, it's a mini flat angled from Luxie. I love this little set of these details, but I'm gonna grab the gold highlighter here that's called Era, and I'm gonna just put it on the inner corners and a little bit under my brow bone. Okay, that's on, and now I'm kind of remembering why I didn't love this palette when I first got it. You have to really, really, really build to get any sort of pigment. Like, this is 3 layers of this really deep chocolatey shade that it's very sheer, is what I'm gonna say. And the highlights Also very subtle. I feel like what they said the value of this palette was, I got it in an old boxy charm. They said it was like almost a $50 palette. I don't see that value here just in the pigment alone and the shades. So I'm probably gonna not hang on to this palette. So this is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and I'm just gonna do a really big wing and enjoy the music and me doing this in fast forward. I cannot talk and do this at the same time. Liner is on, and then I also took the time to put some lashes on. These are the Twinning is Winning Eyelene Lashes. I had to rip the package open because I'm a monster, but it comes with 2 sets of lashes. So I have the set that's on my eyes and then this one. They're nice. They were really cheap, so I just grabbed them for just a quick thing when I was out in Arizona, but they look pretty good. Okay, so for bronzer and blush, I'm going to use this little ColourPop palette that I made. The bronzer shade is a little light, and it's called Spectacle, and the blush shade I love, and it is called To the 10. This foundation is a teeny bit dark for me, so I don't know if this is gonna work for a bronzer, but we'll try. And I'm gonna use my Aesthetica 12 brush. I have to say that this foundation, not bad. For, I think it was $8.99. I got it at CVS, and they were doing the thing. Okay, hot tip. I know I've talked about this before. I love CVS because you can, if you watch their like specials, get the app, it's all on there. You can get really good deals. So the thing today with this brand, the Joah Cosmetics, was if you spend $10, you get $7 back in rewards dollars, which is, I mean, you use it at CVS, but I'm going to be buying more makeup and stuff anyway. So $7 is a good one. So I mean, essentially you're paying $3, and I got the foundation and the brow pencil. This was, I think, $3.99 and this was $8.99, so that's not bad. So for lips today, I'm going to be using this Ofra Havana Nights liquid lipstick. I really like this because it's a different red. When you think red, you think like boom, blue red, really like poppin', but I like this one because it's a dark brick and it matches my shirt, which was not planned. But I'm going to do something a little bit different on the black and red theme. I'm going to be using a black eyeliner to just kind of contour out my lip shape and then fill it in with this. Okay, this looks a little nuts right now, but I'm kind of liking how it looks. I might have to do like a fun something with this in the future. All right, so here we go. Now that I'm done staring at myself in the mirror, I am going to take my Flexitarian from ColourPop and glow up a little bit. Okay. So there we have it. This is my Valentine's Day black and red look collab with my beautiful friend Allie. Make sure you go check out her Instagram. I will link it down below. She's a total sweetheart and really good at makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you do, I'll love you forever. All right, have a wonderful day. See you on my next video. Bye, 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 bye.